Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 407th episode and the 12th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2020. Today I'm going to share with all of you a cookie recipe that is perfect for the fall season. We're going to make pumpkin spice snickerdoodles. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, full of pumpkin flavor, and we're going to roll them in a cinnamon spice mixture. If y'all a fan of pumpkin spice and snickerdoodle cookies, y'all going to love these. These are so fantastic. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cookie recipes playlist, my pumpkin recipes playlist, and my previous video, pumpkin pie dip. I'll post a link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your pumpkin spice, and your pumpkin puree sugar, because we're about to bake some pumpkin spice snickerdoodle magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my sifter and bowl, I have 2 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. And in 2 hour flour, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. And sift these together. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1/2 cup each, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter and margarine that let come to room temperature. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of white sugar and 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these ingredients together on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 2 jumbo eggs at room temperature. We're going to add them one at a time. And mix those in until it's well incorporated. Alright, now we're going to add in 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix. One teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of pure pumpkin spice extract. I'm going to continue mixing until it's well incorporated. Now we're going to slowly add the flour mixture into the butter mixture. Alright, last is the flour. Mix this in until it's well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the cookie dough. And it smells amazing. Love the smell of pumpkin and pumpkin pie spice. Alright, that looks great. So now I'm about to cover it with some plastic wrap. So now we're going to put the cookie dough into the refrigerator and let it chill overnight. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright my friends, it's the next day and our cookie dough is nice and chill. Now ready to make our snickerdoodle. Over here in this bowl, I have made my sugar spice mixture, which is a half a cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And I stir it all together until it's well incorporated. So I'm going to use my cookie scoop. And then we're going to roll it into a ball and put it in the sugar spice. Just like that. And then we're going to put it onto my pan. I'm going to put them on my 9 by 13 inch long cookie sheet that I line with parchment paper, or you could line it with foil or grease it with baking spray. Alright. So now I'm going to finish rolling up my cookies. And as soon as I get through, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my Snickerdoodles together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 11 to 12 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my pumpkin spice Snickerdoodles out of the oven. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Nice and golden brown, and look at the sugar spice. Perfect. Now we're going to let them cool completely, and then I'll put them on my platter and we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Pumpkin spice Snickerdoodles. Don't they look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Nice and chewy. Could taste the pumpkin spice and the puree pumpkin. Love that sugar spice on top. These Snickerdoodles are phenomenal, my friends. These scream fall. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Pumpkin spice Snickerdoodle, delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.